I ran from this guy over here. I was checking out my garden. Look at all these white flies. Can you see them? Oh, they're awful. I sprayed yesterday and they still haven't left. But this guy, look at his stinger. I'm gonna leave him alone. I don't know if he's a good guy or a bad guy. Alright, the tomatoes. What are they doing? We have blooms. Yep, there's gonna be a tomato there. Tomato. I can feel it. Tomato. Yeah, they're growing. And I'm getting bit. Lemon basil, chocolate basil, Genova basil, Italian eggplant, beets, collards, corn. Later.